Salud.
Chin.
It's the summer of soccer, and every soccer watch party deserves delicious drinks. So we're taking a world tour to find some of the best beverages and cocktails out there. Let's go make some cocktails! Colombia has some of the best drinks in the world. Today I'm going to be making Salpicón de Fruta. It is a fruit cocktail drink that is going to be perfect for parties. First, you're going to take half of a seedless watermelon and you put it in right here in your blender. A cup of pineapple and a cup of mango. And we're going to blend this till it's smooth. Now we've blended that beautifully and smooth. We have our base for our salpicón. This is one of my favorite parts. We have all of our fruits. First, we got grapes cut in half. We've got quartered strawberries. Can't forget the mango. Pineapple, I love pineapple. Bananas, don't skip the bananas. The other half of the watermelon, just pour this right over. We're actually gonna chill this for 1 to 2 hours in the fridge. Now this is finally chilled. This is a Colombian soda that I love. If you're not familiar with Colombiana, it is like an orange champagne soda, which is why some people swap it in for orange juice. Now we're just gonna add the Colombiana in here. Ooh, and it's gonna bubble, it's gonna fizzle. And that's it, you're basically done for the family kids PG version. This is just such a nice fruity drink, but the other part that I really love about it is that you also just get to eat it. Don't forget this liquid gold. Let's try it. That's good. Perfect for your soccer watch parties for the kids, but don't be surprised if you see me topping off my salpicón with Prosecco every time Colombia makes a goal. Ooh, the fizzles are back, the bubbles. I love the bubbles. Salud.
Welcome to our Football Cup celebration. Normally, when I have a gathering watch party for a Football Cup like this, I would make an English tea martini. And the first step is to infuse the gin. So we're gonna put the tea bags in there. I'm gonna fill up this little beaker about halfway and let it soak for about 1 or 2 hours. There we go. Also, what we wanna do is we wanna make sure this is airtight. So we're gonna screw that on so it's completely sealed. So that's going to infuse and we'll be back in a few. Okay, our gin is now infused, so we're going to crack on and make our English tea martini. So we're going to start with a shaker with some ice. I'm going to do 2 measures of these like that. 1 measure of Aperol, trying not to spill too much. So next we're going to do triple sec. So we're going to do 6 little dashes of orange bitters. And now we're going to juice 1 whole lemon into our shaker. Cover our shaker, give it a good shake. When you win, it goes everywhere. Okay, so now that we're all cleaned up, we're ready to serve our English tea martini. Very carefully so the lid doesn't fall off. And then we garnish with a little lemon twist. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's got a kick. Go England.
If you guys are rooting for Argentina this summer, then you know what I'm about to prepare. Every watch party is gonna have Fernet con Coca. If you guys have never had Fernet, it's an Italian digestif. It's meant to be drank after eating to help you digest your food. People compare the flavor to licorice, and it's very popular in Argentina. We start with some yellow, we start with ice. Obviously, if you're at a football watch party in Argentina, you would usually make Fernet con Coca in a plastic liter bottle of Coca-Cola, and you cut it halfway, like it's like half of the bottle gets cut, and then it has Coca-Cola in it already, and then you put the Fernet in it. But today we're keeping it a little more classy. So we are using this beautiful soccer cup. Fill her up. Oh. The sounds of the bubbles. Usually like 3 parts Coca-Cola and then 1 part Fernet. And this is 40% proof, so you know, you've been warned. I love Fernet. I grew up watching football. I grew up watching my family and friends drink Fernet con Coca, and I'm so excited to drink Fernet this summer at the next Argentina game. GG. Me encanta.
Today, I will be introducing you guys to a Caipirinha. This is our traditional drink from Brazil. It's very easy and very straightforward. First thing, we're going to add the limes. Then we're gonna go with the passion fruit. We're mixing it a little bit. Usually we only pick one fruit, but you can also mix because you can just do it however you like. Then sugar, a must. Now, after you add everything, you just gotta muddle in this way all the juice and the oil from the fruit and the lime just mixed well together, you know what I mean? You just can't skip it. Then you're going to add ice to it. Now, this is the most important part. You're going to add the cachaça. Cachaça, if you're going to compare it to anything, I would say it's rum. Cachaça is purely sugarcane, and rum, I think it's from molasses. Don't quote me on that. I'm not an expert. I'm an expert at drinking this, but just to give you a little bit of an idea of what it would taste like. We're gonna add 2 ounces of it. And now you just shake it. Okay, once you're done with all the shaking, it is ready to serve. Traditionally, this is it. In Brazil, this is a full recipe, but today we're serving it with passion fruit sparkling water. Yeah, cool. We're ready. Okay. It's so refreshing. You gotta have this at your next football watch party. Caipirinha is honestly such a must. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite, but I'm pretty sure it was this one. Yeah.